Brian Suchecki, you say that gold prices are determined less by demand than the withholding of supply. What do you mean by that?
Well, if you look at the gold market, there's quite a lot of above ground gold in stock. So mine supply is 2,800 tonnes, but the total amount of gold held above ground is 170,000 tonnes. So what matters is whether the holders of that above ground stock are going to sell or not. If they sell, then that could easily overwhelm the marginal supply that's coming out of mining companies.
Do you see any central banks selling because of the pressures from the European crisis? Do you think Greece is going to sell, or Italy or Spain, because they need the money?
They do, but I think it's more likely that they will pledge their gold as collateral. They don't want to give up the crown jewels, so to speak. So I think it'll be more of a pledging of collateral to sort of use that to get funds.
Will we see increased Chinese buying because of the fear from Europe? And they may think that, hey, if the euro will implode, what about the dollar or the yen next? So you think that the Chinese will start buying more?
Look, China have been buying consistently, and we've certainly, because we're geographically in that region, and most of the output that comes out of our refinery we ship into China and into India. And that Chinese demand has certainly been a new feature in the past few years. I don't see any change in that. I think that they're very strategic in revealing their central bank reserves, and when they've added to it, I'm sure they're adding to it continuously and will continue to do so.
Speaking of output, because of the sell-off in gold prices recently, do you think Newmont and Barrick and the other gold producers are going to reduce their output?
No, we find, because we refine around 10% of world gold production, we find that those miners are just continually churning out that gold. They don't stop. We get 6 tonnes a week just about every single week. So I don't think they're going to let up on the mines. It gets their efficiency to keep that gold turning out. They may withhold it in terms of not selling it straight away into the market, but we find that they generally clear and sell it as they get it.